It's hard knowing that a simple click of a button could have changed his whole life.
I went into labor at 35 weeks, and in the ER, they pulled up my chart, and for whatever reason, my Group B test came back negative. And because of that, I did not get antibiotics. The Group B strep was transferred to Hayden during birth, and then it turned into meningitis, and that's what caused his brain damage. Right before we were about to leave is when they pulled him to the NICU and put him on the ventilator and told us that we probably weren't going home with him.
We kind of stopped right then because we had heard this whole time that it was negative and everything was fine. They didn't know what was causing it. So we reached out just to see if there was anything that we needed to do. We got introduced to Leon and Hare Wynn. They just took the reins, told us, y'all take care of Hayden and take care of yourselves and we'll take care of everything else.
One of the hardest things for a lawyer to see is that he or she is a part of a case that involves a tragic injury to anyone, but especially a child. We create a partnership that we bring clients in as family members. When they hear you have to trust what we say, we're also saying we'll earn that trust.
When you have a law firm that the other side knows is not afraid to try the case, your case is exceedingly more valuable. If the verdict is big enough, everyone hears about it. That's what we're going to be asking that jury to make sure never happens again. They can make sure that no other family is put in that position.
Parents aren't ready to hear that their kid's not going to reach the milestones that normal kids reach. Parents aren't ready to hear that their child is injured. But it's stuff that happens, and when it happens, if you have a team like Hare Wynn, it just makes the process a whole lot easier. And just knowing that you have somebody in your corner that will fight for you day after day and fight for your child.
Every family gets an opportunity to have their day in court to be heard. The actions that we handle in one case can affect how individuals are treated for years and generations down the road. We make sure that we're fighting for change in the healthcare industry, that these activities don't happen again.
We're trying to right a wrong to help the client, put them in a better place so that they can live their life to the full potential.
You stop complaining as much about everyday life because each day is a gift, and watching him go through what he goes through and still with a smile on his face goes to show that life's not that bad. It can be worse. He's been the core of our family and changed our outlook on life.
We are thankful that we are given the opportunity to be his parents in the best way that we could possibly be, and that's because of Hare Wynn.
If you look at every case as an opportunity to make a difference, to bring some good to a family in the worst of their times, it's all worth it. Don't ever settle for less than Hare Wynn when you're in the fight of your life.